Have you ever wanted to share your thoughts, hobbies, or even your business with the whole world? The internet lets you do just that. A website is like your online home, a place where you can display your creativity, sell products, or simply connect with people who share your interests. Building your first website might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. With a little guidance and the right tools, you can go from having no website to having a beautiful online presence in no time. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, using simple language and easy-to-follow instructions. We'll cover everything from choosing a name for your website to designing its look and feel. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's get started. Every website needs an address and a place to live. In the online world, we call these the domain name and web hosting. Think of your domain name as your website's street address. It's what people will type into their web browser to visit your site. Choose a name that's easy to remember, reflects your website's content, and ends in a common extension like .com or .org. Web hosting is like renting space for your website on a powerful computer called a server. This server stores all your website's files and makes them accessible to visitors 24/7. There are many web hosting companies to choose from, offering different plans and features. Do some research to find one that fits your budget and website needs. Now comes the fun part, designing your website. Don't worry if you're not a coding whiz. Website builders make it easy for anyone to create beautiful and functional websites without writing a single line of code. Website builders like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress.com offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-designed templates, and a wide range of customization options. You can add text, images, videos, contact forms, and even online stores to your website with just a few clicks. Most website builders also offer mobile responsive templates, ensuring your website looks great on all devices. Section 4. A peek into website code, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While website builders make it easy to create a website without coding, learning some basic coding can give you even more control over your website's design and functionality. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the three fundamental languages of the web, and they're surprisingly easy to learn. HTML is the backbone of every web page, providing its structure and content. CSS is like the website's makeup, controlling its colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript adds interactivity to your website, making it more dynamic and engaging. Section 5. Designing your website. Looks matter. Your website's design plays a crucial role in attracting and engaging visitors. A visually appealing and user-friendly website can make all the difference in how people perceive your brand or message. Start by choosing a color scheme that reflects your website's theme and target audience. Use high-quality images and videos that are relevant to your content. Pay attention to your website's layout, ensuring it's easy to navigate and visually appealing. Keep your website's design clean and uncluttered, using white space effectively to avoid overwhelming visitors. And don't forget to optimize your website for different screen sizes to ensure a seamless experience across all devices.